Tired of bulky PC cases that overheat faster than a summer sidewalk? Or maybe your build just doesn't breathe right? Say goodbye to airflow nightmares and cable clutter. 2026 is here with a new wave of PC cases that are cooler, sleeker, and smarter than ever. From minimalist beasts to RGB packed towers, we've found the best. In this video, we'll break down top picks. Full details are at progadgetguide.com. Links below. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Let's dive right in. Number 1 is the Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is an absolute stunner, as this case brings a premium aesthetic to your battle station with a unique blend of sleek alloy accents and elegant real wood panels, giving it a touch of modern sophistication rarely seen in the PC case world. This case is a true performer when it comes to flexibility and airflow. Built to support a wide range of motherboards, from MITX all the way up to ATX, it's ideal for both seasoned builders and newcomers wanting room to grow. You can house a GPU up to a massive 413mm or 380mm if you're adding a front-mounted 420mm radiator, which gives you plenty of space for today's power-hungry cards. Radiator support is equally impressive, accommodating up to 420mm in the front and 360mm up top, making it perfect for high-performance liquid cooling setups. Fractal Design has also made sure you're off to a strong start with your airflow by including 3 140mm aspect PWM fans, pre-installed and ready to keep your components cool right out of the box. Whether you're going for high-end power or sleek simplicity, this case functioned beautifully. Number 2 is the Lian Li A3X WD microform factor chassis is a standout case that proves small can still mean powerful and stylish. Designed in collaboration with Dan Cases, it combines a clean black exterior with a natural wood front panel, giving your build a unique, modern edge that blends form and function beautifully. With a compact 26.3L footprint, the A3X WD offers surprising versatility. It supports MATX and IDX motherboards and fits GPUs up to 415mm, giving you the flexibility to run a high-end system in a space-saving frame. Power supply options are just as adaptable, with support for ATX, SFX, and SFXL units. And the Lian Li Edge PSU can be mounted either sideways or front-facing for optimal layout control. Although it comes with no included fans, this case is built for airflow. You can mount up to 10 by 120mm fans and a 360mm radiator, while the steel mesh panels on the side and top ensure excellent ventilation. Whether you're building a sleek gaming rig or a powerful workstation, the A3X WD delivers the modularity and style you need without taking up extra space. It's small, smart, and seriously capable. Number 3 is the NZXT H7 Flow in white is a mid-tower ATX case that blends style, functionality, and improved thermals into one clean package. Perfect for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a build that both performs and looks sharp. With its minimalist design and quick-release tempered glass side panel, this case makes it easy to show off your components while adding a sleek, modern touch to your setup. NZXT has taken cooling to the next level by opening up the top panel with perforated ventilation, allowing warm air to flow out efficiently and keeping internal temperatures under control. You can install radiators up to 360mm on both the top and front, and the front panel also supports 3 140mm fans, giving you all the airflow you'll need for high-performance builds. What makes the H7 Flow especially appealing is how much easier it makes building. The improved cable management system features wider channels and added hooks to keep things neat and stress-free during installation. With plenty of internal space and smart layout design, there's ample room for ambitious setups. Whether you're a first-time builder or an experienced enthusiast, the H7 Flow is an excellent case that delivers airflow, aesthetics, and ease of use in one streamlined chassis. Number 4 is the Antex C8 Full Tower EATX case is a bold statement in both form and function, Built for PC enthusiasts who want power, elegance, and flexibility all in one. With its seamless tempered glass panels on the front and side, this case offers a panoramic view of your components, giving your setup a high-end, showcase-worthy aesthetic that feels futuristic and refined. Inside, the dual-chamber design separates components for better airflow and cleaner cable management, making your build not just powerful, but visually tidy. The C8 doesn't include fans out of the box, but it offers a ton of custom cooling potential. You can install 3 140mm or 2 160mm fans on both the top and bottom, and even run thick 360mm radiators on the top, bottom, and side simultaneously. That's serious airflow potential for high-performance setups, especially those rocking RTX 40 series GPUs. A full cutout at the bottom with interchangeable fan brackets adds to the case's modular flexibility, letting you tailor the cooling system to your exact needs. With a toolless design and front I/O Type-C support, building in a C8 feels streamlined and satisfying. Whether you're creating a workstation or a next-gen gaming powerhouse, the Antex C8 brings the space, design, and cooling capacity to handle it all, while putting your components on full display. It's not just a case, it's the foundation of a statement build. Number 5 is the Lian Li Lancool 207 is a compact ATX case that packs the punch of a full-size tower with a uniquely optimized layout, airflow-focused design, and bold RGB accents. Don't let the smaller footprint fool you. This case is engineered to support ATX motherboards, long 410mm GPUs, and even a 360mm radiator on top, making it an ideal choice for high-performance gaming rigs that demand both power and efficiency. From the moment you look at it, the Lancool 207 grabs your attention with 2 pre-installed 140mm ARGB fans featuring infinity mirrors at the front. These fans not only deliver speeds up to 1900 RPM for strong front-to-back airflow, but they also bring a stunning visual element to your build. Add to that 220mm PWM fans positioned underneath the GPU, spinning it up to 1950 RPM, and you've got a setup designed to keep even the most power-hungry components cool. One of its most innovative touches is the front-mounted PSU, which uses an adapter cable to reroute connectors for easier access while freeing up internal space. Combined with large mesh panels on the front, top, and bottom, this design maximizes airflow efficiency. A thoughtfully offset motherboard tray also allows for perfect alignment with bottom GPU cooling fans. To top it off, Lian Li includes a pre-installed GPU anti-sag bracket that adjusts to fit any graphics card, ensuring durability and long-term stability. The Lancool 207 is where smart design meets elite performance. Perfect for compact builds that refuse to compromise.